I know I haven't made so many videos with you. I want to say this last and not least. I might die. I might not die in a minute, but scroll down right now. I have my last words to say. Goodbye. I'll miss you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys, if you guys will miss me, check out all my videos. I got bitten by a dog. The dog has rabies and I'm allergic to dogs, so I might die right now. Thank you. This is the back side. It got swollen. This is the back side. The front side, nice. You can see this, the baby teeth was swollen, and then my mom tried to put something on. It did not work, guys. So it bit me 2 times. There's the infection. Here's the other side where I got bitten. Well, here's that's where the other side is. So this is my whole last words to you guys. Bye. I can't breathe.